Everybody was lying on his belly? Is that the one underneath there? Oy, oy, oy.
You okay? Say something. Yep. Steve, say something.
Something.
What? We don't know whether we have sound yet.
We're testing.
We're testing.
You got a buzz.
I don't have any buzz.
Been drinking? Sorry.
Oh, wait a minute. Everybody was lying on
We have sound.
We have
Uh-huh.
sound.
Is that the one underneath there?
Okay, so we turned that down. Now we don't have.
I want to be loved by you. Boop, boopy doo. How's that?
Don't shake the whole place. Jesus Christ.
Hey, we have Lally columns now.
Apparently they don't have enough of them. Nobody gives a rip about the sound. Sound on now.
There we
go.
Woohoo!
The United Kingdom is heard from. Oh dear.
All right, all right.
Arizona. There we go.
Could be a good day. All right, all right.
Sounds great, no hissing.
Woohoo!
See, we didn't make it parallel. Too much.
We didn't make it parallel too much. We did the loop-de-loop, and it worked. There you have it.
Comments can't be that clear.
Another job well done.
Everybody's impressed here. I gotta call Chip and tell him quick. He's been after me put up that cable for a long time.
All right. So this other cable is bad?
I think maybe.
Well, we're just gonna chuck it so we don't get it mixed up.
Oh, we don't chuck anything out here. Come on now.
If it's a bad cable.
That's against my religion.
Okay, then I want.
Wait a minute. Let me just tell him that what we're gonna chuck out the cable. Oh, good Lord.
Wait.
Getting good reports. GHUCKIND out old cable. Oh my word. Okay.
move to the next floor, then they have to do that one. So, and then we have, they put this machine down, well, actually, yesterday I discovered they put food in there. It's like about this big, the top of an aircraft, and there was food in there. And they were probably starting too much. So this thing dehumidifies and deodorant, and then they put these crystals all over the place. And everything that we took out that day was like, they had these super heavy industrial bags. Double bags, seal them, and all of it. Because it's all just fire. So, oh, this is unbelievable. So then the insurance company came, and they're gonna give us a, estimate on it. You know, they agreed to cover everything. And then we're gonna just kind of do a little more and renovate a little bit on this. Because it's like a full part of it. My car's just getting in there. So, and, so, yeah, it's a full kitchen, and, you know, bathroom, little dining room. So this machine is on the running for 3 days, 3.5 days. It's unbelievable. Oh my God.
Oh, you don't want to bite. You don't want to bite her.
Oh, God. Where am I? What is tomorrow? It's the 3rd. Keep hold. Oh, God.
Oh, forgive me. I'm sorry. I forgot who was there. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to do that.
I'm glad Steve did that and not me. This morning I didn't see Kate on it, and then he asked me very important about you. I jumped in my own shoes, it was not nice.
Hold on, get everything.
Oh, boys.
Did she growl at you?
Yeah, she always does growl.
Oh.
And that's when I didn't see her curled up on the chair. I turned to Linda and turned to the puppy, but before I knew it, there was this massive growl and this skin all exploding. And I must have hit the ceiling. My heart rate was like,
All right.
Damn it. I can't do nothing right here.
I have an idea.
What? What's your idea? Hello.
Hi, we finished up in the barn, but we wanted to need any help around here.
Sure. What are you doing? Who are you?
I'm Alice, and I volunteer.
Oh, you want to volunteer ordinarily here? Oh, good. Go do something.
Well, I don't know what to do. We finished up in the barn, so like we had,
Oh, you did find a shop in the barn?
yeah, we did like
Oh,
feed and
well,
stuff.
Assuming
you can sit in there and talk to puppies for a while.
Yes.
Would that be hard?
Hardest thing ever.
Now, that you're, oh, God.
Camera
Up on the,
Sorry.
somebody will pee out if nothing else.
Oh, where should I put it?
Yeah, don't put
On the
anything on the
bench.
floor.
Right there on the bench. Tie it up, right there.
Tie my boots and I'm going down there.
They just came up to the barn.
Oh, okay. You guys didn't happen to do the zoning, did you? Well, then I'm going back.
Go that way.
I'm Steve, by the way, you're
Kelsey.
Kelsey.
I'm Allison.
Allison, Kelsey, Allison, Kelsey, Allison, Kelsey, Allison. I'll forget in 5 minutes.
You said you were going down the barn. In case you forgot that.
What? Where am I going?
Hey, babe. It was funny once.
I know.
You can come in here if you want.
It's
Not
really
funny anymore.
No, it's pretty bad. It is pretty bad. Oh my gosh.
I'm feeling so much better though.
Oh, good.
I got the $107,000.
Oh, good. Oh,
I think.
they found it, huh?
Well, they think they have. Anyway, I have a piece of paper that says they have it. And I think I got the taxes done.
I think it's because you get your hair cut and you can hear better now.
Probably. Probably.
Yeah.
We gonna go take a nap? Well, you were going to the barn? Look, I didn't get a nap today. Yeah, I've been 20 minutes.
You can do it.
Did they take their nap?
Yes, they just woke up.
Oh. All right, I'll be back.
I got it off, but I'm here.
Oh, God. Oh.
You can sit on the floor, that's been washed up.
That's a nice puppy, that gray. That one.
And not even a word was spoken. Puppy got rid of it. Like they're friendly to me, okay. I'll tell you then.
Annie, you got them under control?
Yep.
I'm gonna go lie down for 20 minutes.
You got it.
Okay.
Is that what I get? Is that what I'm allowed?
Well, you got good 20 minutes. So let's, we're up here to,
You know, they do so much good.
Long haul.
All I know is that's how, I don't know, the black ones I struggle with.
They all look, black ones like to look the same. These ones are like the ones.
Yes. But mine, good boy, Heidi, good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Heidi seems to know, he's a good little kid, to know what to do, what to play with. We say, just pee, pee. You get up there. Good. Good, Heidi. Oh, good boy.
That mic is still on, so everybody behave.
Okay.
Tell Steven, or whatever.
Yeah.